Imagine you are driving your powerful diesel truck, and suddenly that dreaded check engine light flickers on because of a code called P2061. This specific error means your powertrain control module has detected an unexpectedly high voltage in the reductant injection air pump control circuit. Now, don't let the technical jargon scare you, because it basically means the brain of your vehicle is seeing an electrical spike where it should not be. Since 1996, almost every modern diesel from brands like Ford, Mercedes-Benz, or Dodge uses a selective catalytic reduction system to meet those super strict emission standards. Think of this system as a mini laboratory inside your exhaust that sprays diesel exhaust fluid mixed with a bit of air right in front of the filtration elements to burn off harmful pollutants. When the system works perfectly, it keeps your engine clean and the air fresh, but a code like P2061 can actually disable the whole setup. You really do not want to ignore this one, because neglecting it could lead to permanent damage to your expensive catalyst. You might notice your fuel efficiency dropping or see a cloud of black smoke trailing behind you, and your engine definitely won't feel as punchy as it used to. Common culprits are usually a faulty air pressure sensor, a dying pump, or even just a shorted wire somewhere in the harness. Before you start buying expensive parts, I highly recommend checking for any internal or external leaks in the supply system. Use a manual pressure tester to see if the pump is actually holding its own. Grab your digital volt-o-meter and start testing the components based on what your specific vehicle manual says. One pro tip I can give you is that these codes are frequently caused by supply pumps that are leaking internally, which messes with the electronics. If the code is intermittent, meaning it comes and goes, you might have to wait for the problem to get a bit worse before you can pin it down exactly. But always check those connector pins for any signs of corrosion or loose fits first.